takes us into our next question really quick. How long does it take for the application to actually be processed with CBP?
That's actually a really great question. It probably goes anywhere from 2 weeks to 6 weeks. It honestly depends on whether Customs is being inundated with requests. Hopefully now that we've gone through, we've had a full year now of the Section 301, which was a big, push by many brokers to have their importers get set up with their own ACH. And so now that we're a year into this, I would say that Customs should be less inundated with requests, but you can never count on that it's going to get processed in a couple weeks. So you should be planning that it takes 6 weeks, and then if it takes 2, then we're happy that it got processed faster.